In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove password on Excel file. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and then open the workbook you want to update. Before we go any further, it's important to know that you can only remove a password from an Excel file if you already know the current password. This process is meant for files you have legitimate access to, and it works differently depending on whether the entire workbook is locked when opening it or whether only a worksheet inside the file is protected. First, let's look at how to remove the password required to open the file itself. Open the Excel file as you normally would, and when prompted, enter the current password. Once the workbook opens, go to the File tab, then click Info. In this section, look for the Protect Workbook option. This is where Excel stores several security-related settings for the file. Click Protect Workbook, and then choose Encrypt with Password. A password box will appear showing the current protection. To remove it, simply delete the password from that box so the field is left blank, and then click OK. This tells Excel that you no longer want the file to require a password when someone opens it. After that, make sure you save the workbook. You can do that by pressing Ctrl and S on your keyboard, or by using the Save option in Excel. This step is essential because the password won't actually be removed until the file is saved. Once saved, the workbook should open normally the next time, without asking for a password. Now let's go over the second method, which is for worksheet protection. This is different from a file opening password. In this case, the workbook may open normally, but one specific sheet is locked, so you can't edit certain cells or make changes. To remove worksheet protection, open the workbook and go to the protected worksheet. Next, click the Review tab in the top menu. There, select Unprotect Sheet. If Excel asks for a password, enter the current one and click OK. Once that's done, the worksheet will become editable again. A helpful tip here is to pay attention to what kind of restriction you're dealing with before making changes. If the file won't open at all, use the workbook encryption method. If the file opens, but editing is limited on a sheet, use the Unprotect Sheet option instead. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove password protection from an Excel file or worksheet using the correct built-in Excel tools.